Today, we'll show you how to create appear animations in Studio, starting with simple steps and moving to more advanced effects. First, place a circle inside a box. With the box selected, use the alignment menu to position the circle. Next, select the circle and go to Conditional Styles. Click on Appear. This is where you'll design how the circle looks before it appears on the visitor's screen. Click the Motion tab. Here, you can lower the opacity of the circle's initial state to create a fade-in effect. You can preview the effect by clicking Appear. In the Easing Curve section, you can choose from preset options that control how smoothly the animation plays between keyframes. You can also adjust the duration. We'll use 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds. When working with multiple effects, setting delays is helpful. It lets you control which effect happens first. Notice the delay of 1 second when we preview. For a more dynamic effect, we can adjust the initial position of the circle. This makes it seem like the circle is moving to its original spot. Pretty cool, right? You can also add rotation, making the circle spin toward the angle you set. With scale, the circle will grow to the size you set. And for skew, you can tilt the circle toward its set angle. Now, let's try something different. Remove the scale, skew, rotate, and translate effects. Shrink the circle. Using the Origin tool, you can control where the circle grows from when it appears. Instead of using menus, you can make these adjustments directly on the canvas, just like any design tool you're used to. With everything we've learned, you can create effects like these. Layers with appear effects turned on will show an icon for easy identification. You can also preview animations by clicking the play button at the top of the element. Next, set the circle's position to absolute. This takes it out of auto layout. Position the initial state, set a duration, add a delay, shrink it, set its origin, and lower the opacity. Now you've created a fade-in effect where the circle grows and moves. You can also create color change and shape morph effects by changing the design of the initial state. Pretty cool, right? Let's recreate a simple movement effect. By adjusting the easing curve to go up and down, you can make the object move too far and then bounce back. With everything we've covered, you can now build effects like these. For instance, by setting the position of the text to a negative in the initial state, you can create an effect where it slides in from behind. And with the delay effect we've covered, you can create sequences, such as having the text within the circle fade in only after the circle finishes its movement. And for one wild final effect. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Happy animating!